Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome here if you are new. I thought today I should bring you some Monday motivation to get your week started the right way and help you tackle your to-do list as well. So today's video is packed with cleaning motivation, so don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up and also let me know down in the comments if you are going to be cleaning along with me today, and let's just jump straight into it. 'Cause it will ricochet. So as you can see, I'm starting off in the kitchen in today's video and it is an absolute mess. Monday is definitely the messiest day in this house because I just don't do anything over the weekend because we're always out and about and doing other things, that all of the cleaning and tidying it gets left until the Monday. So I have lots of work to get done this morning. I need to get it back to looking nice and fresh and clean and inviting, and hopefully it helps motivate you to do the same as well. So I'm just going to whiz around the kitchen, putting the things away that need to be put away, throwing out the rubbish and getting all of the washing up done so I can wipe down the sides and just make it nice and fresh for the day. You've probably noticed that I am uploading a lot more often. It used to just be Tuesday and Thursday, but I have been uploading at least 3 to 4 times a week and I'm absolutely loving it. So I am going to continue to upload this way for the next few months, and I'm also going to try and upload every single day in December. So don't forget to subscribe if you do want lots of cleaning, motivation and home content. And if you want to be part of this little YouTube community, don't forget to subscribe with the subscribe button down below. I'd also love to know what types of videos you'd like to see more of on this channel. Just let me know down in the comments and I can try and add it in to my bonus videos throughout the week. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright, like a ricochet, it will come back to you. Let me tell you, no, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you try to hurry, my skin's getting thicker each day. Don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. No, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away like a ricochet. So now I've got all the washing up done, I can go around and just wipe down the sides and make it all nice and fresh. I'm also going to be cleaning the cupboards today because it has been a few days since I've had a good wipe over, and being the gloss finish you can see literally every fingerprint and every smudge, and they're looking a little bit worse for wear today, so I'm going to go round and freshen everything up.
I'm walking down the street on clouds instead of the concrete I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way, nothing can ruin my day. No matter what anyone does or say, I smile at fools. No, I don't care, 'cause I am on my way up, and I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time. What it's like to be broke. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up, I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up, I won't slow down. I'm strolling down the street with all of my favorite songs on repeat. I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way, and I don't if you spill coffee on me or if the sky is gray or blue. No, I don't care, cause I am on my way up, and I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time. Cause I know what it's like to be broke, yeah. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up, I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up, I won't slow down.
I love what this kitchen feels like once it's had a good wipe over, but because it was the weekend, it had been left for a few days, so I love giving it a good clean on a Monday morning just to get it ready for the week and get it ready for the day. And it just feels so much fresher and brighter in here once it's had a good clean, and I just love how it feels. It has a completely different vibe to it, so I do make sure that I do this every day just to keep on top of it, because I hate what it looks like on Mondays after a few days of not being done. So I do make sure I give everything a good wipe over every single day.
I won't slow down, I am on my way.
Once I finish the kitchen, I always move through into the living room just to sort all of the cushions out and the blankets and just get rid of any washing up and rubbish. It doesn't normally get too bad in here generally, but of course over the weekend when nothing gets done, things that just build up, and it's always left for the Monday morning. So today I need to get it ready for the day and just get it looking a lot more put together. I always enjoy hoovering. It's one of those chores that I just find super satisfying, and I love the noise that it makes when it picks up all of the mud and dirt. It's super satisfying to me. I don't know why, but I really enjoy it. So I did enjoy doing it on this day because there was so much to hoover up. So I'm just going to go around and freshen everywhere up and make everywhere ready for the day. I really hope you're enjoying today's video so far. If you are, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up, and also let me know down in the comments if you're cleaning along with me today. And if you want to follow me on a bit more of a daily basis and see what I am up to when I'm not over here on YouTube, do go ahead and give me a follow over on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram link down in the description below.
queen of overthinking. It's like we're done before we even started. So if this is the end now, baby, know that I gave it my all. I believe in us, I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. Hope you believe in us, please don't give up on me. At least give me a try. 'Cause you're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing that I've ever had.
If you've been on my channel before, you know that I always leave my washing up to air dry while I clean the rest of the house, and then I can come back to it afterwards. But on this day, everything was still a little bit wet, so I am going to just wipe over everything just to make sure it is all dry before I put it away, because I do want to give the sink a good clean. So I wanted to make sure everything was put away and the room was completely finished before I finish cleaning today, because I don't like leaving a room half done and just leaving it for too long. So I am going to dry it up with a tea towel and get everything put away so I can go ahead and give the sink a nice good clean.
Losing you, no, I will fight. 'Cause I believe in us, I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. Hope you believe in us, please don't give up on me. At least give me a try.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope you found all the motivation that you came looking for today. If you did, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up and also let me know it down in the comments. I'm going to go ahead and leave another video up on the screen for you so you can get even more motivation today, and I'll see you back here in the next one.